This chart represents the outcome in an animal study for studying dry eye disease. Now, what we're looking at is the extract of something called purple-corn anthocyanin extract, otherwise referred to as PCE. Now, what's incredibly awesome about this particular study here, at least the outcome, if you're looking at that bar chart there, is the results in comparison to basically nothing, omega-3 fatty acids, and you see the 30, 80, 150 milligrams per kilogram body weight. That's the consumption of the purple-corn anthocyanin extract. So 30 milligrams, 80 milligrams, 150 milligrams per kilogram in the animal model. But these results, the outcome, especially in the tear volume here, was achieved after a mere 7 days. Now, the backstory here is the researchers didn't want to just look at the symptoms of dry eye disease, but they wanted to actually address the root cause of it. And by doing so, they basically discovered this, generally what's considered a waste product, the purple-corn anthocyanin extract, PCE, and found that it had some pretty awesome, totally awesome results. So, also on top of that as well, it improved dry eye symptoms, as you can see, the anti-inflammatory, the anti-apoptosis, improved tear secretion, decreased corneal irregularity, increased corneal goblet cell density, and decreased corneal cell death. You got to keep in mind, that's only after 7 days of the oral consumption, meaning the animals ate it, a purple-corn extract, or purple-corn anthocyanin extract if you want to be specific. Now, let's look at the next chart here. Equally as amazing. But we'll just look at the bar chart towards the bottom here, and that is the corneal irregularity score. Look how fast it decreased after 7 days. And again, to reiterate, the O3 is the omega-3 fatty acids in comparison. So yes, the purple-corn anthocyanin extract outperformed, at least in this short period of time, incredibly, the well-known omega-3s themselves. So, without further ado, let's get right into the research. And I'm going to start with the reading from the abstract itself. Kind of like, you already know this, but still, just to cover it. Dry eye disease, DED, occurs when there are not enough tears and the associated symptoms, burns, itchy, and gritty feeling in the eye, can cause great discomfort. The purpose of the study was to evaluate the therapeutic effect of purple-corn extract. So again, you'll see PCE and DED obviously stands for dry eye disease. It has been reported to have several health-promoting effects such as antioxidant, anti-inflammation, anti-diabetic, anti-angiogenic, and anti-carcinogenic properties. Because of their high anthocyanin content, the husk and cobs of purple corn can be optional sources of anthocyanin for food supplements. However, they are commonly recognized as byproducts and largely discarded because of the low utilization. Yeah, until you see a study like this comes out. To proceed, methods, just to briefly, orally administered, important, either through vehicle targeted group, PCE, purple corn extract, 30, 80, 150 milligrams per kilogram, and you see the dosaging there for omega-3s every day for the length of the study, a mere 7 days. To move forward, the artificial tears, this is kind of the reason why they did it, is it's also quite enlightening. Artificial tears, lubricants, and various ophthalmic drops, such as anti-inflammatory drugs, immunosuppressants, and steroids are currently used to treat dry eye disease. But these therapeutics concentrate on relieving clinical symptoms rather than unraveling the fundamental causes of dry eye disease. These limitations indicate the need to develop novel therapeutic agents to treat dry eye disease. Quoting, "We investigated the protective effects of purple corn on dry eye disease models for the improvement of eye health by treating the fundamental causes of dry eye disease." So we're not just looking at something just relieving the symptom. They're trying to get to the actual root reason why this is occurring. Real important for people, considering that this study in animals carries out to have equal impact on humans. Can you imagine? To proceed, purple corn is a natural product which is newly developed and registered by the company, Gangwon Agricultural Research and Extension Services, and the extract, purple corn, or PCE, was prepared from a mixture of the husks and cobs of purple corn. It's printed out quite in detail in the methodology in the full study, which just followed the Department of the DOI citation to there, and the researchers are more than happy to share it. Toxicity. Interestingly, the Wistar rats and acute 90-day subchronic oral toxicity studies showed no toxicity symptoms at high dosages of purple corn pigment. And people consume this as a food, suggesting that the products made by purple corn are safe. According to the results reported by colleagues, the no observed adverse effect, Noel, as we're heading towards December, Christmas time, kind of cute, values were determined to be 3,542 and 3,849 milligrams per kilogram body weight a day in male and female F344 rodents, respectively. To date, purple corn extract has been found to be safe enough that there is no limitation to the recommended dosage of consumption of purple corn anthocyanin for human health. So yeah, it does make you wonder if this is consumed as a food in a regular daily basis. What impact will that have over the long period of time, even going beyond 7 days in people? To proceed to conclusion, purple corn extract exhibited cytoprotective and anti-inflammatory effects in dry conditions induced by desiccation stress. Kind of gross. Moreover, treatment with purple corn anthocyanin extract in the animal model was effective at restoring the progression of dry eye disease by improving, remember they're going for the root cause, tear production, corneal irregularity, and goblet cell density. Quoting, our findings thus indicate that purple corn anthocyanin extract, or purple corn extract, can be used as a healthy functional material for eye health, particularly in dry eye disease cases. So that's what makes it incredibly amazing. A lot of individuals suffer from dry eye disease. And up to this point in time, as you see, immunosuppressants, steroids, so on and so forth that individuals are taking to treat this are only symptom related. And here comes along basically a food waste byproduct that's very high in the anthocyanins that over a short period of time, at least in regard to this animal model, the outcome after 7 days was just amazing as the researchers wanted to focus more on the root causes of it as opposed to just prolonging the symptoms of it itself. Again, you have to give gratitude to the researchers, or you don't have to, but it's wise to, because research like this that puts control of individuals' health more within their own domain, again, work with the healthcare professional, is just an incredible liberating feeling for a lot of individuals when they can take control of their own health destiny. Again, gratitude. I am humble you watch, and as always, look forward to see what you and I share next week. Catch you all next time. See you then. Bye.